Welcome you all in this video. We're looking at 2024 question paper, paper 2 mathematics 2024 GCE question number 4. Solve the equation. So there we have 7. Okay, we have 7 minus 2x squared is equal to x, giving you answer correct to 2 decimal places. And this is carrying it is carrying 5 marks. Okay, so we're going to write 7. So 7 minus 2x squared is equal to x. So this one we need to convert it to the quadratic form, which is like ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, and then it should always be equated to 0. So how are we going to do that? So we can see the highest power of x. That's the first thing here. Okay, so this one, which has the highest power of x, so the easiest way would be we can bring this one here, then the 7 can go at the far end here. Here everything will be, since we've taken everything this side. Okay, so in other words, you are having something like this. This negative 2x squared comes here, it crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive. So we write 2x squared. The x is already there, x. Now remember the 7 I said can come here, so minus 7. So since everything here we removed it, so it can be 0 here, to be 0 actually. So equations, you can either put this on the left and the 0 comes here. So in other words, you're going to write it as 2x squared plus x minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, just like that. So this is now in the form. So as you can see, this is a, then this is x squared plus, there's an invisible one here which is b, and then x plus the c, which is 7, is equal to 0. Okay, now that you have everything like this, you can simply go to the quadratic equation. Okay, the quadratic equation is given in your exam question paper, and it's given by x is equal to negative b plus or minus, you open the square root, b squared minus 4 ac over 2a. So what is your a? Our a is what? 2. Our b, we said our b is 1. Our c is negative 7. So you bring it here, we say x is equal to b is going to be negative 1 plus negative because of the negative there, plus or minus b, that is 1 squared minus 4, a is 2, a is negative 7 over 2 multiplied by a is what? 2. Okay, so now you come this side, that will be negative 1 plus minus, this is going to be 1 squared is 1, 4 by 2, this is actually 8, then 8 times 7, so there we've done 4 by 2. Okay, I'll deal with the signs So there you need to be careful with the signs. Okay, need to be careful with the signs. So 4 times 2, okay, 8, that's by 7, 56. Now remember, there's a negative and a negative. This becomes plus 56. If you multiply two negatives, it always gives you positive over 4. Okay, this will then be negative 1 plus or minus 57 in the brackets over 4. At this point here, almost done. So it's going to be negative 1. Use the plus sign first. Over 4. You say or or you say negative 1. Use the minus sign. And we're about done. Here now you just need to apply the calculator here. You can't solve this in your head, and why it comes in paper 2. So you write them just as they are. You start negative 1, okay, plus square root 57. Then you punch your equal sign pattern, okay, divide by 4. Okay, so this has given me 1.63. You say or the other part again. You start negative 1 minus square root 57, divide by 4. You get negative 2.13, and 2 decimal places. We can just make this one a 4. Okay, this one will just be a 4. Okay, so you can answer this one, and it's 5 marks. Okay, very simple. Let's go to question B. Question B. If you have any questions, you can leave them on the comment section. I'll get to them. I always go through the comments. Let's go to this one. Given that B, okay, given that B is equal to this matrix, find the value of x for which the determinant is 22. So determinant for B is given by the formula. We say determinant B is equal to AD minus BC. Determinant B, that will be, we've been told determinant B is 22. We'll put 22 is equal to, so this is your A, this is your B, this is your C, and this is your D. So A is what? 4. 4 multiplied by D is what? Negative 3x. Minus B, that is x, times C, that is negative 1. Okay, C is negative 1, and this one here. So you say 22 is equal to 4 times 3x. This is a times, right? Times 3x. That would be negative 12x. And this side minus x times this one is negative x. So this will be negative 12x, negative, remember positive, right? And this will now be negative 12x plus x. This is a negative number and a positive number. Let's forget about the x's. Let's deal with the numbers. So negative 12 plus 1, the coefficient of x is 1. This will give us negative 11. Why? Different signs, just subtract the numbers and get the sign of the bigger number. So it's negative 11x is equal to 22 divided by negative 11, divided by negative 11, and x is going to be negative 2. Hence find the inverse of b. Okay, so finding the inverse of b, we know the formula. We say for the inverse, we say b inverse is equal to 1 over the determinant of b. Then so you swap these, okay, swap d comes here, then a here, then b and c, multiply them with negatives, both of them. It's going to be 1 over determinant b. What is determinant b? Is 22. D is this one, negative 3x. Now x, we know what it is. X is negative 2. So if you have negative 3 times negative 2, you get positive 6. So it's 6. A is 4. B, it is x. Now x is negative 2. Multiply it with this negative, it will be positive 2. C is negative 1. Multiply it with a negative, it is 1. Okay, so this is it. Some people start to multiply. Okay, others start to multiply. But then you can leave your answer like this. It's just correct. Okay. So I hope you've learned something. You can leave your comments in the comment section. For those that want tuitions, just contact me on this number on WhatsApp. Okay, 656239. Those outside the country, outside Zambia, our country code is 26. This is our full number on WhatsApp. Okay, so see you in our next video.